Click on this link and browse the page. Choose your product. Read the features and select a size. Then click the Buy Now button. Icon on the image. After checking the total amount, click the Next button. Next, fill in the billing details. First, enter your first name, then your last name. Select your country, state, and city. Enter your street address, including your home address with perfect typing. Then, fill in your nearby popular location, add like a shop, club, bank, mall, etc. name. Enter your area's PIN code, enter your WhatsApp mobile number. Scroll down and click Place Your Order. Check that all order details are correct, then go to your WhatsApp messages to check the order details on your WhatsApp now. Check your WhatsApp to ensure all details are correct, then confirm your order by replying yes on WhatsApp. If there is any problem, WhatsApp me. If you don't want to buy the order now, reply no.